In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Beats Studio Buds or Studio Buds Plus have a buzzing sound, mostly in one of them, right or left, or a ringing sound. And this is not normal, obviously, and I'll show you one solution on how to fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is to charge them fully. So go ahead, place them in their case, and try using a wall adapter, okay, and a USB Type-C cable. For this, you should try to avoid plugging it into a computer. Sometimes the computer does not provide enough power for your Beats to fully charge. So go ahead, plug this, and come back when they're fully charged. Once this is done, what you need to do next is to take them out, and we'll need to clean the microphone. The microphone grill is located right over here. You see, there's a small slot there, very tiny. I suggest you take a toothbrush or a small brush and brush it out. If there's any debris or anything covering it, it can affect the earbud sound, and sometimes it can buzz because active noise cancelling does not know what to do. It's muffled, so it just pumps some white noise inside of them. So go ahead and clean each of them, even the earbud that is not affected by the ringing or the buzzing. Go ahead and clean the microphone grill with a small toothbrush, or even maybe a toothpick can go there. Once you have cleaned them, we need to disconnect them from any devices that were connected to them. So in my case, I was using them with my iPhone. So I'll go into my Bluetooth settings of my iPhone, find them over here, press the small eye icon right beside them, go down and select forget this device. Do not choose disconnect, choose forget this device. Oops, here we go. Forget this device, forget. And do this with any other devices you have. So if you have connected these to your Android phone, go ahead, disconnect, and then put them back into their case, and we'll need to do a factory reset. To do so, you just need to press this middle button here during 15 seconds until this light here turns to red. Okay, so wait like this, do not release that button until you see the color red flashing on the front here. Okay, it's red. I can now release that button. It will switch to white, and now it will blink white. It means they are in pairing mode, and it's time to reconnect them with your device. So over here, they already tell me to connect. Go ahead, connect. And hopefully after doing this and trying them out, you'll get rid of this buzzing problem. If you have another solution on how to fix these, please leave a comment down below. Or if this solution worked for you, tell me that it worked. I'll be very happy to know this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.